Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY rosemary hair oil at home with just using coconut oil and rosemary essential oil. It is super simple, easy to make and super effective for your hair. This rosemary oil is perfect if you are dealing with hair thinning, hair fall and dandruff too. So let me show you how to make it. Take a bowl, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturizes your hair, strengthens the strands and prevents protein loss. Now add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is known for its hair boosting properties. It improves the circulation in the scalp and stimulates new hair growth. Rosemary is known for its hair growth boosting properties. Mix the oils well. Dip a cotton ball into the oil. Apply the oil on the section. Make sure to cover every section of your scalp with the oil. Using your fingertips, begin massaging your scalp in circular motions. This helps to increase the blood circulation, nourish the hair follicle and relieve stress. Repeat this for 5 times on each section. Now apply the oil on the crown region. To find the crown, first place your index finger at the tip of your nose. This is your starting point. Next, move your fingers straight up along the center of your face, passing over the bridge of your nose and up to your forehead. Continue moving your finger upwards, keeping it centered until you reach the top of your head. Once your finger reaches the highest point on the top of your head, that is your crown. Now take some oil, rub it between your palms, press your palms gently on the crown region. Repeat it for 5 times. Now run your fingers on your scalp. This increases blood flow, brings more nutrients and oxygen to the hair follicles, promoting healthier and faster hair growth. Stress is a common cause of hair loss. Relaxation and stress relief comes with a good scalp massage. And by reducing stress, you are indirectly supporting better hair health. Consistent oil massages lead to thicker, stronger and longer hair. Gently apply the oil around the back of your ears. Move your fingers in an up and down motion along the groove behind your ears. This technique increases blood flow, helps to relax any tension in that area. This area is often overlooked, but it is crucial for stimulating blood flow to the scalp. Repeat it for 5 times for each ear. Massage the back of your neck using upward strokes. Regular neck massages like this can support hair growth by improving blood flow to the scalp. It also reduces stress and enhancing overall hair health. Repeat 5 times. Now flip your hair upside down. This position naturally increases blood flow to the scalp. Run your fingers through it. Repeat it for 5 times. Put a bun and let the hair oil This rosemary oil is super easy to make and can truly transform your hair.
Shampoo.
Also, if you find this video useful, then do share it with your friends and family so that this channel would be visible to them too. Until next time, take care.